right, it's another day, another story, another challenge. Hey, I'm Fish. I was going to grab the extra 360 camera and go filming. I didn't want to take both. Just me. It's dark. It's a challenge for sure for some cameras today. On a gimbal camera, all you gotta do is grab and go. Always make sure you adjust to the shot. On an action camera, it's just a grab and go camera. All you gotta do is just shoot video. But at 360, you gotta do a lot of editing. No, you just gotta take a little extra time and you have to use their editor. And that's the Extra Studio. And if you want to put it into a different editor thereafter, you can do so. So it is a little extra work. Diesel fumes, boats are running, and they're gonna get going in another hour. Car in the bike path. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Go around? Sure. It becomes quite annoying when you're sitting there with your lights on for no reason. I tell you, we crash wherever we want. Find a spot, go sleep. Busy pier. That's called a bridge, not a pier. But it's a pier according to the people that's on there fishing. Ooh, man, just take it in. Take it all in. The peacefulness, the quietness, and no cars around for a number of blocks. I grabbed a can of silicone. I had this little chirp, little squeak. It only been heard just like once every couple of minutes, real quick. And what I did was, I went all over the bicycle, cleaned it up, oiled. I'm riding nice and smooth now. And that's the Cannondale Adventure 2. Cloudy, hazy, still able to see in the distance, windy. We're at the boardwalk, heading on down. If I'm quick enough, we get to see the parachute jump lit up. Maybe I could zoom on in and center it for you and get a shot. All right, we're centered, deep tracking, auto track, and on it. 12 times is lossless. We're zoomed in. And the shot will be lit up. Sometimes there's movement and design. Right now, not at all. Like somebody forgot to throw the switch to shut it off. The boardwalk. It's owned by the city. How much property is the store allowed to put stuff out? Here they are. I gotta go in and out of things. Loads of fun. No tracking, trying to hold the shot and see the police lights and all. Doing a good job. Turning on and quickly zooming and doesn't work. But I'm able to still grab the shot of the guy with the fishing pole getting ready to go to the pier. Alright, so we're getting closer to steeplechase, the parachute jump. And we are zoomed in. We're tracking on it. What I want to do is zoom out just a little bit. Don't need to be on top of it. And see if I could, come on, lower it down a little. I won't be able to. Get the police car. And there we go. I'm not going to sit here and set the shot up. But you get to see the shot set up. Well, the police are there. They got some cones, probably doing their job. We are on 12X. They are recreational police. In the passenger seat, laying down, doing their job, not in the driver's seat at all. Well, looking from a distance, it was pretty. Looking close up, and I gotta stop and let me just zoom on out a little bit. You get to see the shot of the carousel closed but lit up as well. If you shoot 16:9, this is what you get angled up. If you shoot 9:16, oh, you got a much taller video. After all the overlays, I got my shot. It's a choice up to the user what you like. 9:16 TikTok videos, short for YouTube in 9:16. You can always do two types of videos, put them side by side to make a 16:9 and get that tall shot. Well, we got some activities down below. In the water, hanging out. I want to grab the shot before it's too late, because you're going to miss that sunrise. Well, this is a 9:16 shot. I'll grab a shot beside it, because you're missing that cloud formation. Let's get on going. As you can see, the camera screen shows blue. It's not blue in the sky. It shows white. A nice clear shot. This is a shot that you can sit here and capture the rise. All depends where you look to see the shot. Yeah, 20 millimeter, nice and wide, a view, always looking out, crisp and clear. Well, the sun rose. It's behind the clouds and all, and not going to get a beautiful shot right now. So it's time for me to get on out of here, get on biking, get on going. My highlight of the talk is over. Well, where you see that open patch of yellowness, that's where the sun comes up. If that building wasn't there, or later on in the season, we'll get a better shot of the sunrise. You always got to reposition forward. The Insta360 Luna Ultra. It's like my everyday camera. Does its job, films what you want to grab, and off you go. It's one of the only cameras in the US market that is band free. Only you can make this camera better than it is. And that is the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Well, I'm Fish. It's been a pleasure sharing worldwide what I like to do. I gotta go meet up with Joe and take care of beeswax. Enjoy the rest of the day. And I'll see you on the next video.